this class, we will make a part of the house's kitchen using objects of the ARCHICAD library. I could also use slab and wall tools to model cabinets and counters, but if the library objects can attend your intentions, it's better to use them. Go to ground floor. Here I will just reposition this section line. In my DWG reference, I don't have these kitchen elements, but it's even better, learn it without references. So I'm gonna use line tool to draw some guidelines. I'll draw a line here, holding Shift key, another line here, Control Shift D to copy, I press D to enter in distance, 60 centimeters. I'll do the same at the other side, so I'll copy. I'll put a distance of 120 to each side. So I will drag a copy with 120. I'll have an island in one of the sides. So I'll have a higher counter with stools. So I'll put an offset of 30 centimeters here. And here I'll place refrigerators. I'll drag 1 in 50. And I can use trim. First here I will stretch the line, and I can use trim command holding Control key. The scissor appears, and I can trim some lines. First, I need to do a line here. I will turn off the reference, and pressing Control, I can trim some lines. After, I can erase these lines. It's just a reference for modeling. Now, I will select Object Tool. In Setting, go into ARCHICAD Library on Furnishing folder. We'll select Kitchen Cabinets. You see many types. I'll choose Cabinet Base Triple Door. Here at the right, you see Object Settings. Starting here in Cabinet, counter height will be 98 centimeters. Thickness, I'll put 2 centimeters. The backsplash height is going to be 20 centimeters. Toe height, 10 centimeters. The reveal to cabinet door is 7. And cabinet door thickness I'll keep with 2 centimeters. Here we can set the size to counter or cabinet. I'll keep counter. Depth in this case is 70 centimeters. And width I can even define in floor plan after inserting the object. Number of shelves. Toe, I'll change to 3D preview. So here I can see it better. And I can see the options with or without toe. Full, circle, or rectangular. I'll keep full. And after we have surface materials, I'm going to use a brown paint, but for a while I'm going to use this paint golden ochre. And I'll put it to cabinet and black stone to the toe. So here I apply stone marble black. The next menu is counter. I'll put marble black to counter and backsplash 2. In countertop overhangs, I'll put 2 centimeters at the front. I have some sink options. I want a double type. In distance from center, you could type a value to displace the sink, 10 centimeters for example. It moves to the right. And if I put -10, it goes to the left. Under mount, you see in 3D, the sink boundaries are hidden under counter. Surface, I'll keep metal. And tap, you can show it or not. So here you can choose a type and a surface. The next option is door. We have some door styles. I'll choose style 1. On surfaces, I will apply the same paint of the cabinet. Paint golden ochre. You have the options to use drawers or not. The number of drawers, you can see it on elevation as well. So here I'll put 3 drawers and 15 centimeters to drawer height. We have door thickness, opening angle, and going to the next menu, we have knob options. In this case, I won't use it. You can apply double-faced, left, right, or rear. Here, I will mark off double-faced and mark left, right, and rear with panel ending type 1. The next is 2D representation. In 2D detail level, selecting symbolic, you can choose some style. Edge visibility, I'll put lines on both sides. I can change to floor plan preview. Contour pen 108. And white background 126. The next menu is 3D representation and surfaces that we have already adjusted in the previous menus. After minimal space and a brief of all parameters. Choose the layer, arc for kitchen and bathroom. I'll click OK. Just before coming back to settings, here you have to adjust level to current story, must be 0. I can even rotate the object before inserting it, clicking at the corners, or typing an angle here, 108. We also have the insertion point to define. I will define here. OK, and now I click to insert. After placing the object, I can extract clicking on the pink dots. I also can move the sink with this point. Go to 3D. Here I can check the object. I'll just change these colors here. And panels. Here I change to golden ochre. But even this color I want to change, I will change to another color. Go to Options, Element Attributes, Surfaces. Click New. Choosing New from Catalog, you access ARCHICAD Library. We have many additional materials in Wall Finishes, Paint folder. I'll select brown. OK. Now it can be applied to my object. Select, go to Settings. I'll put brown paint here on Panels. So here we have paint, brown. Here in Cabinet. And here Door and Drawers. And now we have this new color. On Floor Plan, we have here a higher counter. I'll model with Slab 2. Select Slab 2 in Settings. I'll put on Arc 4 Kitchen and Bathroom layer. Two centimeters of thickness, level 110. Building material stone finish. And surfaces with marble black. Okay, I can model the rectangle. I choose here this option. You can check on 3D. And to make a front finish with stone, we need to use Wall Tool. So go into Wall Tool. First, I'll change the layer to Arc 4 Kitchen and Bathroom. In Model, I'll change Stone Marble Black. The wall will not be linked. Height of 8 centimeters. Thickness 2 centimeters. And level, base level, 1 meter. I'll change material to stone finish. I'll press OK, and now I can model a sequence of walls. I'll change here the reference line. Now I can select in 2D representation, I will send to back. So click here, send to back. But in 3D, you have this option at the correct level. I could even copy this object to do the other kitchen cabinet. Ctrl-Shift-D to copy. Here I can take out this sink and change counter to 60 centimeters. Here I change depth to 6th. I can mirror a copy. Ctrl-Shift-M to mirror. I'll drag to adjust. And adjust the width. If you want to use another cabinet of the library, you can't copy parameters from one to another. So, choosing another type, cabinet-based double door, for example, you should set all information again, unfortunately. So, now I will erase 2D lines. I'll make a rectangle with marquee tool. Select line tool, Ctrl A to select all, and delete. I'll press ESC to quit from marquee tool. We have the options to put a fridge or a cooktop. Placing a cooktop, for example, you can adjust 2D representation. So here in appliances, I could choose this cooktop. We have 2D representation. Here we have surfaces. I can apply. Adjust the position, and in 3D, you can check the level, adjust the level. It's okay. I could place, for example, a hood. So we have many types. I'll choose one. 2D representation again. Here I'll put a transparent background. I'll insert. And I can adjust in 3D, Ctrl D to drag. I can use the wall top to place the object. And now you could change surfaces and other settings to this object.